Changing the theme of your Shopify store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and click on the Online Store option from the navigation menu. Next, click on the Themes option, which will take you to the theme library where you can browse and preview various free and paid themes. You can filter themes by category, features, and price to find one that suits your business needs. Once you have selected a theme, click on the Add Theme button to install it on your store. You can also upload a theme file if you have purchased one from a third-party vendor. After installing the theme, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select the Publish Theme option to make it live on your store. You can also preview the theme before publishing it to see how it looks. To customize your theme, click on the Customize Theme option, which will take you to the theme editor where you can modify various settings such as colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also add or remove sections and blocks to create a unique design for your store. It is essential to note that changing your theme may affect the layout and functionality of your store, so it is recommended to test it thoroughly before publishing it live. Additionally, you can duplicate your existing theme before making any changes to ensure that you can revert back to the original version if needed. By following these steps, you can easily change the theme of your Shopify store and give it a fresh new look that reflects your brand and appeals to your customers. Remember to always test and preview your theme before publishing it live to ensure a smooth and seamless user experience.